Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to calculate amount of putty required for a 10 feet by 10 feet room. So let us get started. But before we proceed, let us address an important question. Should you apply primer before putty? Well, the answer depends on specific instructions provided on the packet of putty. The application of primer before putty depends on brand specific recommendations, as some brands may advise using primer while others may not. Now let us move on to the top 5 putty brands in India. Asian Paints, Berger Paints, Birla White, JK Putty and Nerolac Paints. Please note that the order of these brands may vary, and this is not a sponsored video. I have divided this video in 7 steps. Step 1. Measure the wall area first. Step 2. Deduct doors and windows. Step 3. Calculate the ceiling area. Step 4. Determine putty consumption. Step 5. Estimate material cost. Step 6. Labor cost. And Step 7. Calculate the total cost. Now let us start Step 1. Measure the wall area first. Consider a room size of 10 feet by 10 feet. Height of wall 10 feet. Length of wall 10 feet. So the area of one wall shall be length into height, that is 10 into 10 is equal to 100 square feet. We have 4 walls here in one room. So 100 into 4 is equal to 400 square feet. Now step 2. Deduct doors and windows. Window dimensions 5 feet into 3 feet is equal to 15 square feet. Door dimensions 3 feet 9 inches into 6 feet 9 inches, it comes to approximately 27 square feet. Now subtract this door and window area from total area. That is, 400 was the total wall area minus 15 minus 27 is equal to 358 square feet. Now step 3. Calculate the ceiling area. Area of ceiling shall be 10 feet length into 10 feet width is equal to 100 square feet. So total area for putty application shall be 358 plus 100 is equal to 458 square feet. Now step 4. Determine putty consumption. For Asian True Care putty, the consumption says 1 kg can cover 10 to 15 square feet for 2 coats. You can Google the data sheet for its consumption details. Let us take the average coverage of 12.5 square feet per 1 kg for 2 coats. Divide the total wall area, that is 458 square feet, by the coverage area, that is 12.5 square feet, to get the putty requirement, which comes to 36.64 kg. Now add 5% wastage in this. 36.64 into 1.05, that is 38.47 kg. So we can say for applying 2 coats of putty in one room, that is 458 square feet, 38.47 kg of putty shall be required. Now let us move to step 5. Estimate material cost. Rate of Asian True Care putty is 819 rupees for 40 kg bag. So the per kg rate shall be 819 divided by 40 is equal to 21 rupees per kg. So the total cost of putty is 38.47 into 21 is equal to 808 rupees. Now add tool stackles, shifting and other miscellaneous expenses, let us say 100 rupees. Now step 6. Labor cost. The labor rate for applying 2 coats of wall putty is between 5 to 7 rupees per square feet, depending on your location. Let us consider a labor rate of 5 rupees per square feet. So the total cost of labor is equal to total wall area into labor rate per square feet. That is, 458 into 5 is equal to 2290 rupees. So we can say 2290 rupees shall be required for only application of putty in 10 feet by 10 feet room. Step 7. Calculate the total cost. Now add material, tool stackles and labor cost. That is 808 plus 100 plus 2290 rupees, which comes to 3198 rupees. Now add 15% overhead and profit in this amount, which is 3198 into 15% is equal to 480 rupees. This is the profit which will be earned by the contractor. So total amount required for applying putty for 10 feet by 10 feet room shall be 3198 plus 480 is equal to 3678 rupees. So we can say 3678 rupees shall be required for applying putty with material, labor, everything for a 10 feet by 10 feet room here. Now let us calculate per square feet rate. So the per square feet rate for putty shall be 3678 divided by 458 is equal to 8 rupees per square feet. So the per square feet rate for applying putty with material, labor and everything is 8 rupees. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.